This here, called genomic instability, I want to explain on 2 concluding slides. 2 minutes. Sorry I'm going on too long. I want to talk first of all about the bystander effect. Now, I worked in ionizing radiation for most of my career, and we had 50 years of dogma, starting in 1942, which is even before I was born, let me emphasize. That you expose some cells in a cultured dish to ionizing radiation, X-rays, gamma rays, etc. And you look at when the cells are dividing, you get all this DNA damage. Then someone decided to do another experiment where you make the culture tray a lot wider so that some cells over here are well away from the radiation, and you decide to look at these cells. Why on earth would you do that? Because they haven't been hit by the radiation, but someone did do that, and lo and behold, you got radiation in the cells that weren't hit. That's called the bystander effect, because of cell signaling effect. And what I do want to say, Marion, is that much of this pioneering research was done by a superb Irish scientist in Dublin. You know her, Carmel Mothersill, at Dublin Institute of Technology. Carmel's since moved to Canada. But Carmel made a very teasing comment in another paper that these signals being given out here from the ionizing radiation involved electromagnetic fields. That's teasing. Genomic instability is a related phenomenon. Again, 50 years of dogma. Irradiate cells, look at the first cell division, no damage. For 50 years, no damage meant no effect. But cancer cells are the ones that survive and divide out of control. So we'd better have a look further downstream, 10 to 15 cell divisions later, and whoops, all sorts of DNA damage starting to appear. That was a paradigm-breaking observation. First seen with ionizing radiation, later with metals and chemicals. And what I found out over Christmas, and the paper was only available 5 days ago for me to talk about it, I have it here with me, now seen with magnetic fields. Magnetic fields, ladies and gentlemen, show genomic instability in cancer cells. They are behaving like a carcinogen. And the superb irony is they're actually behaving like ionizing radiation, even though they're not ionizing. This is a profound observation, obviously going to be built on, but it is the clearest pathway yet to how magnetic fields cause cancer.